Here's a delicious idea. Feta and figs wrapped in fig leaves. Wash the fig leaves, remove the stems and place them in a pot over which you pour hot water. Cover and wait for about 10 minutes. And here the leaves are nice and pliable. Fan them out and place a nice block of feta cheese over them, some lemon zest, some calendula flower petals, as well as bee balm petals. Look at that color, it's beautiful. Now we're going to add some figs and place them all over the feta cheese. Now a nice drizzle of olive oil, a generous drizzle of honey, and then some thyme. Now it's time to wrap it all up into a nice little package, and then with some twine, you just tie it up nice and secure. Then place it over the leftover leaves, close the lid, and slide it into the preheated oven, and this is where the magic happens. Interestingly, the fig leaves give the dish a delicate undertone of vanilla. Let's open it up and add the last touches to this delicious dish. A few more petals and toasted walnuts, another drizzle of olive oil and honey. Now for the best part, I get to taste it. Don't you want to try it? Buon appetito!